Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the screen orientation on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar, click to the last option, the My, at the lower right corner of the home screen, and tap to the last option, the settings. Here you can find the third option, the screen orientation, and here you can use the auto rotate screen button. Actually I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next green circle, and new, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So easy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.